Yo, so it's been a minute since I updated you guys, but so far I got the wheels in, which they're just test fitted, no big deal. I don't remember if I told you I got the exhaust on, so the exhaust is somewhat on. It's kind of off right now because I'm trying to finish up the back portion. I got the plastics in, all black plastics, powder coated black bumper. Tires, we went over that. I just got this rear section done, powder coated black. So right now I'm trying to do the airbox. So I got this airbox from CFM Performance, and I wrapped it in some gold heat resistant tape to keep the exhaust heat away from it. I'm basically putting this together right now. I'm gonna mount it here in a minute, and then we'll go from there. Here's another update. I got these the rings in. They're candy red, which is pretty freaking sweet. So I got everything hooked up. I got the airbox in. It's good to go. It's cool because it's a lot smaller than the old one. The old one was massive. It's like twice the size, as you can see. So that's cool. It does, like, this back end is open for obviously more power, but then you will risk getting water in here if you are that type of rider, which I am a little bit, but I'll just have to be cautious of that. So I'm installing everything. Got the reservoir on here. Got the idle, this is probably air intake temp switch right here. But then I noticed this intake boot is torn, which could cause some issues. So I'm gonna have to order a new intake boot, unfortunately. So I'll have to take all this off anyway. As you can see, the gold tape is pretty cool, I think. Will it serve much of a purpose? Yeah and no. We'll just, who knows? I mean, they say it does. So I was, thinking about doing the same thing to this, because this is the heat shield for the exhaust, and it goes like right here. I was thinking about doing the whole underside in gold tape to basically keep the heat away from your seat. But that's pretty much it for today, because I need to order that intake tube. That's a big deal. I don't want to keep going and going and going and then have to tear it all back down again. So I'm pretty stuck where I'm at once again. But just one of those things. So we'll get at it in a couple days whenever I get the intake boot in. And hopefully I can get it running by the end of the week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. This channel is more, for my projects and things I work on, kind of to vlog, what I do. And then my other channel, which is Anabolic How To, which is more for information about bodybuilding and, anabolics and stuff like that. So please subscribe and like the channel. Take care. God bless.